This is practice test for decimals, and here we are working on number 2. And the problem states, write the decimal in words, and the way we write a decimal number is the same as we would pronounce it. And the way we want to pronounce it is we want to first pronounce the whole number, and then the decimal point is the word and then we pronounce the decimal side of the number, and then we have to state the place value of the last digit to the right. So in this case, the 5 is the whole number, so we would say 5 and then on the decimal side is 9, and the 9 is in the hundredths place, so we would pronounce hundredths at the end. So this number would be 5 and 9 hundredths, and that would be letter B for our answer.